So we've made a huge amount of progress so far, but there's still a long way we can go. At this point, it makes sense to start to look at the places in our site where the end user may want to modify something. In this case, if we go back to the browser, this featured sticks sidebar may be dynamic. It may be something that our client wants to change from time to time. Also, now that we have a basic structure in place for our site, and the content is really only part of that structure, we may want to reuse this structure for another site later on. And in that case, we want to take the parts of this site that are unique to this particular use and pull those out into variables so that we can modify them later on if we reuse this site. So again, there's two things here that we're sort of pulling out that are going to be dynamic. The first is things that the client might want to change, and the second is things that us, as the builder of the site, might want to change if we use this site structure later on. And one item that falls into that category is the name of the company. In this case, it's Amazing Inc. So we're going to use a pattern that we've been using a lot, which is taking these items and pulling them out into their own variables and isolating them from the rest of the site so they can be edited directly without affecting anything else in the site.